Hi, I'm Marcia Ramsland. I wondered, are you going on a trip? Have you ever packed too much and found out you didn't even use half of the things you took? Well, I'd like to give you 3 tips so you don't have to take too much again, okay? The first tip is you want to download my trip packing made easy checklist because on there you can actually list by days what the activities are, and that will help you know what outfits to take. Now, when you're taking outfits, I want you to take ones that you are comfortable and used to. I when I was going to Hawaii, I thought, oh, this would be so pretty, white slacks and a white breezy blouse and this scarf that I've had, and it would be so pretty. Did I ever wear it? No. So I learned you have to take things that you're regularly wearing because when you come off the beach or out of the pool, you're going to feel like, where is that outfit? What do I wear? I have 5 minutes to get ready for dinner. So you want comfortable outfits you already know. Secondly, to not pack too much, you want to think about what shoes you're taking. Try and limit it to two, maybe only three. I know every outfit you have has a special pair of shoes. Don't do that. Get ones that you can get by with a casual and one with dressy, and make your outfits work with that so it really fits in your carry-on suitcase. You know, if you take extra suitcases on the airlines, you're going to be waiting at baggage instead of at your destination, and it's really easier if you just get a one really nice travel suitcase. So the tip is to not pack too much. Pack from your shoes up, and that way you have shoes that are comfortable. Do not take new shoes, and be sure and take those shoes that you like and that feel good. And then thirdly, think about pictures. So when you're at your destination, you want to take a picture and have it on your desk and your memento or your Christmas card. So think about outfits that you can really simplify. So when you simplify, what I mean is take something like this, a cotton jacket, it's just a short sleeve hoodie here, and you just change the tops and have some white capri pants, and you can have a lot of outfits. And then on your sightseeing trips, you just wear a different top every day, wear a different necklace, and it looks like you are doing something different. Oh, and then if you have a hat or visors, then you want to put those on. And you know the most important thing to take for pictures? Your smile. Yes, that's what comes through on a picture, whether you use it for a Christmas card or just to put on your desk. You want to put your smile on, have a good day by not packing too much, and then you want to get home and have an organized closet so it's easy to unpack. Oh yeah, that's a whole nother lesson, but go and get the trip packing list. And if your closet, you're having trouble getting through, look at my course, Closet Organizing Like a Pro. And believe it or not, trip packing becomes a breeze because you only have in your closet outfits you wear and you really like them. All right? Okay, you're going to get ready for your trip. Have the outfits you need and not pack too much. Don't pack those orphans. We call those orphans that don't have a matching set. So head to toe, have an outfit that works, and then variations on that outfit. And take your swimming suit and your sunglasses and have a great time. All right, I'm Marcia Ramsland. Go to organizingpro.com and get your trip packing made easy checklist. See you then and have a great trip. Bye for now.